Hot Wheels set of 10 1 hours 64 minutes scale toy trucks and cars for kids and collectors. Styles may vary, Amazon exclusive. Let's explore the Hot Wheels set of 10 toy cars and trucks in detail. Benefits. Instant collection. This 10 car pack offers an instant collection of Hot Wheels vehicles. Authentic styling. Each vehicle is designed in 1 hour 64 minutes scale with authentic styling and eye-catching decals. Variety. The set includes a cool variety of vehicles, perfect for push-around play and displays. Durable, made of cast iron, these cars are difficult to break, making them suitable for kids and collectors. Drawbacks. Packaging damage. Some users received boxes with damaged packaging, although it didn't affect the cars themselves. Identical car packs. If buying multiple sets, be aware that they might send identical car packs. Overall, Hot Wheels remains a reliable brand, loved by both kids and adults. Whether for play or collection, this set offers great value and variety. The Hot Wheels 10 pack is priced at $13.99.